आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello, the question is, the table above shows two lists of numbers. Which of the following is a true statement comparing list A and list B? So this is the list, or the table is given with list A and list B. We have to find that which of these statements is true. Okay, so in all of these statements, as we observe, it is given that means and standard deviation, they are being compared with means and standard deviation. So we will first find out the mean of both of these lists. So mean of list A is equal to sum of all the elements divided by number of elements, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 divided by number of elements is 6, that comes out to be 3.5. okay, and similarly mean of list B is 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 6, that comes out to be 3.52. okay, so the mean is same, so C and D can get out of the picture. Now B and A are in. For finding the standard deviation, we know that standard deviation is the difference between each of the element minus mean, and finding the mean of that distance. okay, so I can differentiate in the standard deviation by calculating the distance between the numbers. okay, for example, if list A has number 4, that is 0.5 more than the mean 3.5, and number 3, that is 0.5 less than the mean. okay, so there are two numbers that are 0.5 from mean. okay, and also there are two numbers that are 2.5 from the mean. Also there are two numbers that are these are 3, 4. okay, and two numbers that are 1.5 from the mean, that is 3.5, and these are 2, 5. Also there are two numbers that are 2.5 from the mean. 2.5 is the difference between the values and the mean. okay, from the mean that are 1, 6. okay, so there are two numbers in A in each of these categories. Now for list B, I can write list B. For list B there are four numbers that are 0.5 from mean. How? There are 2 4s and 2 3s in list B, so I can write 3, 3, 4, 4. There are 4 numbers now. Also there are two numbers that are 1.5 from mean. okay, so which are 2, 5. so there are total 6 numbers. Now from these two comparison of the standard deviation numbers, that are the numbers that are the difference between the numbers and the mean, we can say that list B is more closer to the mean. okay, so the standard deviation of list B is less than the standard deviation of list A, so standard deviation of B and A is different, obviously. okay, so standard deviation is different in A. Answer is A. The means are same and the standard deviation is different. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।